Hi guys, hopefully you cannot hear the traffic outside because it's loud, but it's really hot here, so I'll have to open the window. Anyway, eating my fruit is the only thing I've been eating the whole day. I just woke up from a nap. I'm about to open my chair and I'm about to put it all together. Wish me luck. I got this chair at Wayfair. I'll put a picture how it's supposed to look, but I'm scared. I'm almost done. Finally done moving. My bed is coming on Tuesday. My mirror is coming on Tuesday. My rug is coming the 20th. So weird. So yeah. Guys, hopefully this have instruction because it looks pretty easy, because my sister one was everything was just out. Please look for the following places for hardware packages and like okay, so it comes with this. I can guess this is all the screws and stuff. So I'm looking crazy, but oh, okay. I thought that was the. What the heck is that? Okay. There's something in there though. Oh, it's only this. I just want to make sure I lay down everything because I don't want it to be like, oh my gosh. Where is it? I can't find this one. Making sure. Oh, there's nothing in there. So this have like all the screws. This is interesting. I'll put it here instead. And it comes with that. I might end up having to change the wheels because I do have hardwood floor and I'm scared. I'm scared that it's just gonna scrape it. I need to hurry up. I don't have a lot of memory. It comes with this one. I think this one's for the back. This one usually looks like something you put in the back or all to the side. This is the one you put it up and down, so that's good. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So heavy too. And it comes with the main stuff. This. Instruction paper. These are the things that we're waiting for. Step one is basically put the wheels. Step two is put like all the screws. No, step two is put the okay. I can do this. Okay, I can do it. These are the wheels. The other thing I wish though, I wish it had handle. I don't know why. It feels like I need something, some type of like handle. Yeah, I just feel like I need some type of handle. But it's comfy. You know, I have to make sure that it's not wobbly. It's comfy. Woo! Yeah. I think that's it, because I don't think you can. That's it. I'm a boss. Okay. Let me see. You can't go backward. You just, yeah. So it's not one of those chairs. It's just, okay. The only thing is, I need to check if, it works! I can put it up and down. Up. And you have to get up. It'll go up. Yes. And it'll go down. Guys. Oh my god. Guys. That actually worked. It's like you could put it up together in less than like 10-15 minutes. Yo. Because I didn't take that long. Yeah, the only way, the reason why I was taking that long is because when people was coming in and out, and I was trying to figure things out. But if you read the thing before, like it's gonna take you 10 to 15 minutes. Not easy. Yeah. Yo, this is the back of the chair. This is the chair, guys, just in case y'all want to see how it actually looks. This is how it looks like. I got it at Wayfair. Turn around. So it has like those details all around the perimeter of the chair. This is the type of wheels that it have. But yeah, I really like the chair. I am moving, so it's a mess here. But yeah, I like the chair. I like the color. It's a really nice color. It's actually very cushiony, so we good. Yep. This is the best. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I am trying to renovate like my whole room and stuff. Yeah, so it's stuff from the chair. I have the bed. I have so many other things that I bought. I'm just waiting for them to come. So make sure you thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. I'll have more videos coming up. Yeah, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.